Hey everybody. So today I wanted to go over kind of a little bit with Eazybot how the Ethereum Bitcoin trading pairs work. I've had a few people reach out being a little confused, like, oh, Bitcoin's going up in price. Why is Eazybot not buying and selling more during this time frame? So we need to look at a couple of things. Number one, we need to kind of understand which charts you should be looking at, and then how those charts interact with the price of Bitcoin. So we're going to take two examples. I'm going to just try to make this video quick here. Okay, so number one, we need to understand that there's a difference. What we're looking at is the difference in price in between Bitcoin and Ethereum and kind of how that plays out. So let's take the first trade that Eazybot successfully took for me with the Bitcoin Ethereum pairs. Now, let's look here. The first trade was taken August 30th at 1300 hours, and then went went down on the Bitcoin pair. So it plays out like this, guys. Now, notice here on Bitcoin, we had a drop during this trade of 4.34%. Now, if we jump over here to the Ethereum Bitcoin trading pairs, let me get, and you see we had a total opposite action on the pair that we're actually trading on. So basically what that meant is Eazybot jumped in right here, bought Ethereum, wrote it up, and sold it right here after we had a little pullback and got almost a 1% trade right there. Okay. So let's just take one more example and then we'll explain this a little bit more. People have been reaching out and saying to me, well, Bitcoin's been going into a more uptrend, as you can see right now. We're at over 27,000. So, what's going on? Well, let's look at the prices here. So, Monday, the 11th of September, Ethereum, the difference has basically been going down and compared to Bitcoin. So if we look at that same time frame over here on Bitcoin, let me get over to that. You'll notice right here I have it marked right at the same point. And what do we have? We have more of an uptrend move with Bitcoin. So again, look at that again, guys. So when Bitcoin is going up overall since the 11th, let's jump back over here to where Eazybot's actually trading and notice how it's actually going down. So we're having an opposite. So you might kind of feel like, oh, well, you know, I thought Bitcoin and Ethereum basically follow themselves. Well, they do. But the point is there's a difference in price in between those. And what these pairs right here are all about is capturing that difference in price, guys. So this is an incredible thing. So think about this. While Bitcoin is going up, we are buying and we're stacking more and more Ethereum. Okay. And basically, as soon as Bitcoin starts to drop back down, we're going to start selling that. And that's when we're going to see the sells. We're going to see the stacking of more and more Bitcoin, right? And if Bitcoin continues to go down, if we go into a bear run, I don't believe that's going to happen, but some analysts do predict that we're going to see a price drop over the next potentially few months before the halving, before we see a nice bull run start. So let's say worst case scenario that does happen. Well, this is a good thing because what that's going to do is that's going to force these pairs to go into a nice uptrend, which is going to allow Eazybot to be buying and selling, stacking more Bitcoin as it's selling, and we're stacking more and more. So regardless, guys, understand this. regardless of whether if Bitcoin is going up or down, we're making money, right? We're stacking more and more Bitcoin regardless. We just need good moves in one direction or the other for Eazybot to be able to capitalize and stack our Bitcoin Ethereum pairs. It's absolutely genius what Mohammed has created here, and it's going to be extremely powerful over the next, approach up to potentially the Bitcoin ETF approval with BlackRock, the halving that's coming up. I'm about to do a video on that as well. This is amazing, guys. Let it do its thing. Let it automatically stack you Bitcoin, Ethereum. And yeah, let's have a great ride over this next couple of years. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.